mold. Ready? White onion prep. Some of these are mushy, like you can see, so I need to I'm not ready to plant it yet because I have to fix the planters, but some of them aren't in the best quality, so I just need to remove the bad ones, and yeah, the ones that are rotting, so I gotta give them a little squeeze. This alrightish, and wipe off any that have the mush on them. To be honest, these are probably super old. Oh, you can see it's this one already started sprouting, but let's see. So you see this one gone. It's fine. This one is the mushy one. This isn't looking so. Mold. Is that black mold? So I'm suspicious of this one too. Okay, let me go wash my hands in. Okay. I'm gonna keep them separate because these two were the moldy ones. You know what? That one I kind of suspect. Oh. Okay, catch you when we're ready.